If you want to add or if you want to upload photos to Google Drive application from your Android device, then let's see how to do it. So for this one, you can either use Google Drive website or you can use Google Drive application. So for me, I will use Google Drive application. I have already installed Google Drive app in my Android device. I will open it, and then if you have to log into your Google Drive application, then log it by using your Gmail account. After that, what I will do, I will tap on this plus icon here. Then I can select upload, and I can tap on this more option here, go to images. So I have different folders where I have images. Let me select camera, and let me select any photo that I want to upload. So let me select this one. So if you have to select more, what you have to do is you have to tap and hold at first one picture to select it. After that, you can select other picture. Once you have selected the pictures, what you have to do is you have to tap on this open option, and you can see the photos, they are being uploaded to the Google Drive application. So this is one way. Now if you want to create a separate folder so that you can upload the photos inside the folder, what you can do is you can tap on this plus icon here, then go to folder at first, and let me give a name to the folder, suppose photo, and then create. So what I have done here is I have created photo folder. So let me go down. This is the folder. I will open it, and from here also you will do the same thing. You will tap on this plus icon, you will go to upload, and then you will upload the pictures. Now once you have uploaded the photos to the Google Drive folder, you can go in any device such as iPhone or Android phone or your computer, and if you open Google Drive website, and you can see all the photos that you have uploaded in Google Drive.